of color and grace. I found a beauty to embrace. Petals whisper, stories untold, in the sunlight so bold. With each bloom my heart dances, a bouquet of second chances. Every scent a sweet memory, blossoms of our history. Flowers in my hand, a gift so grand. Each one speaks of love, sent from above. In this garden we stand, together hand in hand. Roses red, violets blue, each one a promise pure and true. Lilies white, so delicate, our bondlets. She wakes up with the sunrise, a smile upon her face. Another day, another chance to find her place. In a city full of lights, she feels the beat. Her heart is open wide, she's ready to meet. Love is like a melody, playing in her soul. Every day a new refrain, making her feel whole. She's dancing through the moments, swaying to the tune. In the rhythm of her life, love will find her soon. She's seen her share of heartache, the tears that fall like rain. She's learned to rise above, to dance through all the pain. With every step she takes, she feels the power grow. In her heart she knows that she's the star of her own show. Love is like a melody, lifting her so high. Every note a memory, lighting up the sky. She's moving with the music, feeling every beat. In the harmony of life, love will be her treat. In the quiet of the night, she dreams of what could be. A future bright and shining, a love to set her free. She's knew that she's deserving of everything and more. With hope within her heart, she'll open every door. Love is like a melody, lifting her so high. Every stepping into the light, it's a brand new day. Walking down this aisle in a perfect way. All my dreams are here in your eyes so bright. This is our story under love spotlight. With every step we take, our hearts align. A love so pure, forever you'll be mine. In this moment, everything feels right. Underneath the stars, we shine so bright. Hand in hand, we've come so far. Together we've made it, here we are. Through every trial, every single fight, we found our way into this night. With every vow we make, our spirits soar. A bond unbreakable forevermore. In this embrace, our hearts take flight. Bound by love into this night. Now we dance to the rhythm of our love. futures bright. A world of wonder shining in our sight. In this dream, everything's so right. Together we glow in love through all the light. With every promise made, our souls entwine. A journey endless, our hearts define. In this lifetime, you and I unite. Under the moon, we shine so bright. Butterflies in my stomach, heart racing fast. Never thought this moment would come to pass. Your eyes meet mine, you get down on one knee. Is this real? Am I dreaming? Can it be? Oceans swirling, tears start to form. Alive together, away from the norm. Yes, I'll say yes to a future so bright. Yes, I'll say yes, our love takes flight. This ring on my finger, a promise so true. Yes, I'll say yes to a lifetime with you. Memories flash by, all that we've shared. Every laugh, every tear, how much we've cared. Now here we stand on the brink of forever. Two hearts united to face life together. Questions arise, but love conquers fear. Our path ahead becomes crystal clear. Yes, I'll say yes to dreams we'll pursue. Yes, I'll say yes, our bond ever new. This moment so perfect, I'll cherish always. Yes, I'll say yes to our love's new phase. Questions arise for the days to come. Two hearts in sync, beating as one. Yes, I'll say yes to the vows we'll exchange. Yes, I'll say yes, our worlds rearrange. This rainbow, my friends, will share in our joy. Our love story, time can never destroy. From this day forward, we'll walk hand in hand, building a future on more than just sand. Excitement builds for the days to come. Two hearts in sync, being as one. There's no hesitation, no doubt in my mind. You're the one I've been waiting for all this time. Through laughter and tears and sickness and health, our love is a treasure worth more than all wealth. As we step forward into the unknown, our love will guide us, we're never alone. Yes, I'll say yes to the life we'll create. Yes, I'll say yes, it must be fate. This moment is so magical, forever we'll share. Yes, I'll say yes, our love beyond compare. A white dress hanging by the door. Dreams I've chased, now they feel so close. Yet a little piece of me still holds to the life I'm about to leave behind. As the days turn to moments I breathe, holding on to the whispers of yesterday. Will I still be me when I say I do? Or will I find some summer skies, colors dancing in my eyes. We weave our dreams on threads of gold, a story of love untold. Through the trees, the lanterns glow, guiding hearts as they follow. Wishes carried in the